Are you thinking about getting the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 as your next travel camera? You've come to the right place, because today I'm going to show you why this camera right here deserves a place on your next adventure. While I could go over all of the specs of this amazing camera, I'll spare you all the boring details. You really don't need to be tech savvy or a camera expert to appreciate this camera. What sets the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 apart from the competition is its simplicity. Anyone can use it, but don't just take my word for it.
Let's get a real-world example from a non-camera nerd.
I'm normally not the one that films these types of videos, but when Grant handed me this camera, it was so simple and easy to use. I'm normally afraid of dropping our bigger cameras. I'm normally afraid of all of the settings on our other cameras, but this little guy is very user-friendly. I'm really proud, especially of when we flew into the Maldives. I was the one that got the footage of us flying over the resort as we were getting ready to land, and I'm just like super proud that I got that, and I don't think I would have without this super easy to use little camera. So that's why I love it as a non-technical person. And with that, back to Grant.
As Marissa mentioned, this little camera here is insanely easy to use. So let's take a quick look at how to start filming. All you need to do is flip this little screen right here and you're ready to go. Just press the big red button here to start filming. There's even a setting that can start filming as soon as the screen flips open. You don't even need to press a button. Then, when you're done, just flick the screen back and it turns itself off. Easy. Obviously, it has a whole host of settings that camera nerds like myself can customize to our heart's content. But it really is ready to go right out of the box with no effort whatsoever. Now, let's talk portability. While I personally don't mind my entire carry-on luggage being filled with heavy camera equipment, I know most travelers prefer their tech to be small and compact. Well, this camera definitely lives up to its name. Even with the protective case, it easily fits in your pocket or a bag, and it's so light that you really don't even notice it's there. Because it's so accessible, it really is just right there when you need it most. You can grab it out of the bag, out of your pocket, and just start filming straight away. This means you don't miss those crucial moments on your trip. The other benefit of its small stature is that it's perfect for anxious filmmakers and vloggers. I don't know about you, but I get extremely self-conscious when I'm doing the whole vlogging thing out in public. Holding onto one of these bad boys in front of my face definitely turns heads. But most people don't even notice this little camera. It's super subtle, which is life-changing for introverted content creators. While all of these features are great, you're probably wondering why it looks so weird compared to a normal camera. That's because it's a camera with a built-in gimbal. I'm sorry, I tried really hard to skip the camera gibberish in this video. Simply put, a gimbal is a device that you connect to your camera that stabilizes your footage. Normally, a gimbal is extremely large and expensive. And to be honest, they're actually really annoying and complex to use. But this little camera here has it built in, so all of your videos will be smooth. Believe me, I've had so many videos ruined with shaky footage. Or it takes expensive editing software to try and minimize it. This built-in gimbal essentially removes one of the most frustrating parts of filmmaking. It's definitely a game changer. Now, let's talk accessories. This little camera is obviously very unique, so your normal camera accessories might not work with it. Thankfully, DJI have a lot of cool accessory options available. When I purchased the camera, I opted for what's called the Creator Combo, which comes included with many useful things. In the combo, you get this cool carrying case, an extra battery handle. This not only gives a little extra handle to hold the camera, it gives it additional battery charge. The DJI Pocket 3 does not have removable batteries, so having this is definitely needed so you don't run out of battery while you're out. It also comes with this little mini tripod, so you can pop it open, stick the camera on, really useful. And then my favorite is this, the DJI Mic 2. This is a little wireless microphone. While wireless microphones are nothing new, most wireless microphones need a receiver connected to the camera, and then it can be really troublesome trying to get them to connect. The Osmo Pocket 3, however, can connect to 2 of these little microphones right out of the box. So just turn them on and the camera will pick them up. It's that easy. While the onboard microphone is actually pretty good, these small microphones are amazing and definitely take your audio to the next level. So that's my quick rundown of why I think the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is the perfect camera for travelers. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel tech recommendations, hit the like button and subscribe to see our future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.